what's basically the limit as to what I can do with this?
I just realized I guess you need to know on your meter what level you're getting.
Okay,
So
I'm tied to this, so if you want to take a look, I can start it again.
because you need to note the level on your meter.
Okay, should I just video that?
Whatever video, right? Yeah.
So it's blitzed out. It's not. It's like it'll go to 98.5, and then it doesn't read anymore.
You might have the range.
Correct. Well, yeah, because it's set.
So I'll say bump up the range. That you can actually do.
Okay, I just want to show you so I can make sure because it's going here, and then it's going down.
Oh yeah, because your range is kept at 100. You're down there.
And isn't that because of what my limitations are here?
No,
So it reads.
well, you can check the range. You don't
Okay,
have the
can
range.
you do that for me? Thank you.
For planning board members, can you give us a recap on what we've done so far with the sound here?
So we are playing the sound outside. So again, the ultimate what we're trying to figure out is how the sound is being reduced as it goes through the wall. And whether it goes outside to inside or inside to outside, the direction doesn't matter. It's the same reduction. So to do that, we need to measure outside and measure inside. We just did a trial run of our outside measurements, and we need to adjust the meter and do it again. But this is the outside microphone and position measurement.
Okay.
And then I guess that's one half of what we need. They will finish that, and then they will move the microphone inside to get the indoor noise level with the speaker playing at the same level. And then by the difference between those two numbers, it will tell us how much reduction we're getting as sound goes through the wall.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, but I need you, if you would so kindly, sir,